Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Beetlejuice surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Beetlejuice surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and give my paper a nice fold right down the middle. So that way it kind of looks like a card. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time. Give it another nice fold. That way it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now, when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now, to start off with this, let's begin by making Beetlejuice's nose. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a little line that's just going to curve around here. Then I'm going to make a little line on top of it. Right here, I'm going to make a circle for one of his eyes. Then let's do the same thing over here. Let's make another circle for one of Beetlejuice's eyes. Inside of here, I'm going to make another circle, and I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white for a reflection. And then same thing here. I'm going to make that circle. I'm going to color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down and then up in a check mark. And then same thing here. We're going to go down and then up in a check mark. And then we're going to make this check mark a little bit fatter so it looks like his eyebrows. So we're going to kind of color this in a little bit just to kind of make his eyebrows really stand out. And we're just going to color those in so we've got these nice big eyebrows. Now, right around here, let's make a big oval shape that's just going to kind of come down and up. And then same thing here, we're just going to kind of go down and then up. And this is just going to be kind of like how he's got those big bags under his eyes. And I'm going to make an extra little line underneath each eye for some more detail. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then in. And then same thing here, we're going to come up and then in. I'm going to bring this out. I'm going to curve it around to here and then bring it back in. Then right here, I'm going to make some little lines for some wrinkles in his forehead. Now let's work on the bottom part of his face. I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a line that's just going to come down. And then we're going to bring this back up here. And then let's just kind of give him a little smile shape. And we're going to turn this into something else once we open it up. Now for his ears, let's make a little oval shape here. And then a little oval shape here. And we'll put a little squiggle inside each one for some detail. Now let's make his tie. I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to go down and up. And then making two lines that come down. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up here. And then down and up here for his shirt. Then we'll make a line here and a line here. And then we're going to make a line down here and a line down here for the body. Then we'll make a line that's going to come up and down here for the shoulders, and then up and down here. Now let's put one and then two lines on here for the stripes on his shirt. Same thing here, we're going to go 1 and 2. Then we're going to just put some little lines right across here, and some little lines right across here. Next, let's make his hair. We're just going to make some kind of like crazy pointed hair coming out of here. So I'm going to start it above the shoulders, and we're just going to make it kind of come up to the fold. And then we're just going to kind of make it go all the way around. I want to make it go off the paper just because we don't have a ton of room up here. But we're just going to kind of make this wavy, kind of wiggly hair going all the way up. And then I like to add some extra little lines around here, just for some detail. And then let's just kind of make this little wiggly line here with a couple little spots around here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our Beetlejuice. So let's begin here, and let's start by drawing a line that's going to come out and then in a little bit. And same thing here, we're going to go out and then in. Then we're just going to bring this line up, and we'll bring this line up. So let's draw his mouth. So I'm going to make a curved line on each side, and you can see it's under the fold. And then I'm going to make a great big smiley face. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down on each side. And then down here, I'm going to make another big smile. Now let's go ahead and add his teeth. So we're just going to make some kind of like squared teeth right around here. These do not have to be perfect by any means. And we'll do the same thing here. Just kind of make some teeth down here. They can be kind of crooked. They can be different sizes. It's totally up to you. Now let's draw some fun things inside of here. So the first thing is, let's make a sandworm. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up and around like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve in and then down. Let's kind of curve this line in, and then let's bring this line down and connect. Next, let's curve this line up with another little line here. And then let's bring this line back down here. Let's give our sandworm a little circle for the eye. And then let's put a little curve around it. We're going to put some little bumps on here for the teeth. And then let's make that other little part of the sandworm. So we'll make a line that comes out on each side. Then we're going to give this a smile. Then we'll make another little smile right around it. And we'll put a little black dot for the eye. Then let's make a long tongue that comes out. And we'll put some little lines on here. Over here, let's make a little curve for the fin on the sandworm. And then let's go ahead and make some stripes. So let's just draw some curved lines. They're going to come right around here. And we're just going to make these little curves all the way across. Now let's add some more fun stuff inside of here. So let's make his really long wait ticket. So let's start here by making a line. And then let's make a little curve that we bring back here. Then we'll make another wavy line like this, and we'll curve this line down and connect it to here. Then we can draw a number 1 on here, and then we can just kind of fill this up with lots and lots of zeros. Now over here, let's make the shrunken head. So let's begin by making a circle for an eye, and then we'll make another circle right next to it. We'll put 2 little dots in here. Then we'll make a little line on each side with 2 dots in here for the nose. Let's make a little bump for the head, and a line that comes out and in, and a line that comes out and in. Then we're going to make lines going to come down, over, and up. We'll make a line across, and some lines that go up and down. We'll make a couple little lines underneath the eyes. And then we're going to make some wrinkles on the head. We'll make a little bump here. And then we're going to make some little points here for the hair. Now let's make a little beetle over here. So let's just draw a circle for the head. Then let's draw an oval shape here with a line down the middle. We'll make 2 lines for antennas. And then we're just going to make some little legs on our beetle. And then finally, let's put a little bat up here. So let's make 2 little points for the ears of our bat, and we'll kind of connect it. We'll make a little oval shape for the body. I'm going to curve a line up on each side. Then we're going to bring this down on each side. And then we're going to make some zigzag lines to connect it. Next, let's connect the mouth. So let's begin by drawing this line down. We're just going to jump over all of our fun details and connect it. And we'll do the same thing here. Just kind of jump over everything and go ahead and connect it. Then let's connect the side of his face. Let's jump over everything and connect. Same thing here. Jump over everything and connect. Then we're going to make all these little zigzag lines all the way across here just to connect the hair. And same thing here. All these little lines just to kind of connect everything. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Beetlejuice surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we've got Beetlejuice smiling. Then when we open it, we can see that that is his chin, and then it is his mouth opened up with all sorts of fun things. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.